This video is for English practice. This video is for listening. This video is for reading. This video is for beginners. Story 1. My morning at school. My name is Tong. I live in a small town. The town has many houses. The street is long and clean. The sun is bright today. The sky is blue and clear. I wake up very early. I wash my face with water. My mother gives me bread. The bread is warm and soft. I drink milk from a cup. The milk is white and sweet. My father reads his newspaper. He smiles when he sees me. My mother packs my school bag. She puts books in the bag. I wear my blue uniform. The shoes are black and shiny. I walk outside the small house. The air feels cool and fresh. A bus waits near the street. The bus is yellow and big. Children run to the bus. I walk and wave my hand. The driver opens the bus door. The seats are brown and soft. I sit near the big window. I see trees along the road. Birds fly across the blue sky. The bus goes to the school. The school is tall and white. Children play in the yard. I walk into the small room. The teacher stands near the board. She writes letters on the board. The letters are big and clear. I open my small notebook. Aí, tem aqui a rede pencil. The teacher says, "Good morning, class." We all say, "Good morning." I listen to her carefully. She reads words very slowly. I read the words with her. My voice is small but clear. I feel happy when I read. The teacher smiles and claps. Children clap with their hands. I draw a tree on paper. The tree has green leaves. The teacher looks at my drawing. The bell rings very loudly. Children walk to the yard. We sit under a tall tree. I eat bread from my bag. The bread is soft and sweet. I drink water from a bottle. The water is cool and fresh. I talk with my 2 friends. They laugh and clap their hands. The sun is still bright. The bell rings one more time. We go back to the class. The teacher teaches us to sing. We sing a short and happy song. The sound is loud and clear. I feel happy and calm. The day goes very quickly. The sun moves to the west. The school bell rings again. Children walk home with smiles. I ride the yellow bus. The bus stops at my street. I walk home very slowly. The sky is orange and red. Birds fly back to their nests. The air feels cool again. I open the small front door. My mother waits at the table. She smiles when she sees me. I feel happy after school. Story 2, my evening at the market. My name is Anna. I live near a market. The market is big and wide. The sun goes down slowly. The sky is red and orange. The air is cool and soft. I walk with my mother. We go to the market. The street has many bright lights. People walk in every direction. The market is full of food. I see rice in big bags. I see fruits on the table. The apples are red and round. The bananas are yellow and long. The oranges are fresh and sweet. I look at the vegetables. The carrots are orange and clean. The cabbage is green and fresh. I feel happy in the market. I see fish on a stall. The fish is silver and wet. The seller cuts the fresh fish. People wait near the stall. The smell is strong and sharp. I walk to another stall. I see meat on the table. The meat is red and heavy. The seller smiles and waves. He calls people to buy. I hear voices everywhere. Children shout and laugh loudly. Mothers talk with the sellers. Fathers carry bags of rice. I see many kinds of bread. The bread is soft and warm. I smell the fresh bread. The smell is very nice. I hold a bread in hand. The bread feels soft and round. I see a toy stall. The toys are bright and small. Balls are red, green, and blue. Dolls wear dresses and hats. I want a red ball. I look at my mother. She smiles and shakes her head. I laugh and clap my hands. The seller smiles at me. I walk back to my mother. I help my mother carry fruit. The bag is heavy and full. I walk slowly with the bag. The lights shine on the street. People walk home with bags. The sellers close their stalls. The market grows quiet and dark. The moon shines in the sky. I walk home with my mother. The night is cool and calm. I open the small door. My father sits on a chair. He smiles when he sees me. I give fruit to my father. He takes the fruit and laughs. My mother puts food on table. We sit together and eat. I drink water from a cup. The food is warm and nice. I feel happy this evening. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.